CityNews Halifax. The Guardian. Republicans resist calls for Iran war hearings, creating a new standoff with Democrats. Triple threat megastorm to scatter snow, high winds and thunder across U.S. Today. Here are major news headlines from the United States today, March 16, 2026. Globe showing Europe-Africa, international and politics. The U.S. Iran conflict is intensifying. The United States and Israel launched strikes on Iranian targets, and Iran responded with missile and drone attacks on Israel and U.S. allies. Al Jazeera +1. U.S. President Donald Trump has asked several countries to send warships to protect shipping in the Strait of Hormuz, where about 20% of the world's oil supply passes. AP News +1. In Washington, Republicans and Democrats are arguing over whether Congress should hold hearings about the Iran war. CityNews Halifax. Tornado weather and emergencies. A massive triple-threat megastorm is sweeping across the United States with snowstorms, strong winds, and tornado threats affecting nearly 200 million people. Flights have been canceled and thousands lost electricity. The Guardian. The storm system has caused blizzards in the Midwest and severe storms across the South and East Coast. Wikipedia. Moneybag economy and markets. Global oil prices and U.S. stock markets are fluctuating as investors react to the Iran conflict and risks to oil shipping routes. Morningstar. Basketball sports. Selection Sunday for the NCAA Division I men's basketball tournament has taken place, officially starting the famous college basketball tournament. NCAA.com. Hospital health. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reported over 1,300 measles cases in 2026, raising concerns about outbreaks. CDC. White heavy checkmark summary. Iran U.S. conflict dominating global headlines. Massive storm affecting millions in the U.S. Markets reacting to Middle East tensions. March Madness basketball tournament begins.